In the midst of Hurricane Helene, Boone McCrary, a Tennessee nurse, tried to save a man from rushing waters after the floods swept his house away.
McCrary ended up dying in the storm, but he saved that man's life. David Boutin recounts his savior's rescue. News Channel 11's Jayana Scurry shares what happened that day, as Boutin says he's still here because of McCrary's actions.
On the night of Friday, September 27th, David Boutin's life changed forever when the Nolichucky River flooded into his home.
I went outside the house, tried getting to a ladder to get on the roof, and the river just took us. Took Buddy from my arms. I just went penning along trees.
Boutin was in floodwaters for 6 hours until rescuers found him.
I didn't think I was going to get rescued. I mean, every time I climb a tree, it get hit and break in half. It's just I couldn't see where I was at. I didn't know. It's just all I knew is hold on to trees. If I went out to the middle of the river, I wouldn't have made it.
The next day, Boutin learned that Boone McCrary went missing trying to rescue him. McCrary's family knew he was out trying to save people, but heard his boat capsized. His mother heard he was being rescued, so she went down to Bird's Bridge.
They came up, and I said, "Are you going to have to carry Boone up?" Because I thought maybe he was injured. They said this was Boone, but I said, "No, that's not my Boone." And that's when the nightmare really started, because I thought he was being rescued.
It was actually David. Boone McCrary's body was found days later. He died trying to save Boutin's life.
I want to thank him for risking his life. I pray for his family and friends. And I mean, I'm blessed. He's my guardian angel. I wish it didn't go down how it did. But
Boutin had no idea Boone was trying to rescue him. McCrary's mother and sister says that's how courageous Boone was.
My brother lived life to the fullest. He always put himself last and put others first.
Boone made these decisions, but I know without a doubt, if he knew the outcome, he would make that decision again to help somebody.
No doubt. There's no doubt in my mind that he would do it.
This is what's left of David's house. The rest was completely scattered around the property or washed away in the river. It took David 10 years to build this house, but it was completely destroyed in one night. Boutin says it's been mentally hard to deal with the devastation.
I have nightmares of that night. Yeah, it's hard, especially when the migraines. Wake up in the morning with bad migraines and I still go to work.
In Greenville, Jayana Scurry, News Channel 11.